Okay, today for repair we have this LG RHT497H. Now this is a Freeview PVR with built-in DVD recorder, and it's a DVD player too. The fault today is it won't show any video, so hello appears on the screen on the front display. You see that repeat itself a few times. But despite this, the TV shows nothing, and I know this TV works, and if you press that button you get nothing. And if I pull up the info menu on the TV, the only thing it says is it's 16:9 signal, which is the default, so more than likely it's not sending any video out. Now the other ports are also dead, so this is HDMI, that's dead, the SCART is dead, the component is dead. But it does appear to respond otherwise. So for example, you can press res, that changes on the front display, so it still appears to be running. And what we're going to do today is we're going to update the firmware on this and see if that sorts out the issue we're experiencing. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, in order to update the firmware you'll need a computer which has a recordable CD or DVD drive, and you'll need the internet. Search for RHT497H firmware. One of the first results should be LG's website. Let's find the English one. And you want to look for the link marked software update, and here is the update file. Download that file, and you want to take your recordable CD, pop it in the drive, doesn't have to be anything special, a normal CD will work. Download to complete on my slow internet here. And then you need to proceed to burn the disk, which is done using, you can just use Windows XP software or whatever you want to use. So you have to extract the archive, and you want this file, and you have to put it in the root directory. That is the first and only file on the disk. And then just say write this file to CD. This is Windows XP, it should work with any Windows operating system. I think you can leave the name as is, just wait for it to burn it. So all the functions on this DVD player otherwise work, so place the disc in there, press the DVD button, give it some time. And this then indicates the firmware is upgrading. It will do it automatically. The number will increase. When it's 100 it should be done. I figured out the secret source to this. It was a little confusing, but basically leave the disc in there until it says upgrade. Leave it for about 5 minutes and then eject it. That seemed to work because, as we can clearly see, we now got a video output. Ignore the line on the side. That's not the TV. I'm not sure why the box is producing that, but so you can see it's able to output. So I haven't got it connected to any signal, but we've actually got a picture. I have to sort out that line. Something to do with the aspect ratio, I guess. I don't know, maybe a bug on the TV. The TV itself doesn't have a problem, which is good because this is a nice TV and I don't want it to have a stuck vertical line because that's a bad plasma panel. Yeah, not sure what that line is all about. We'll have to investigate more, but this thing is now fixed. This is great. Picked this up very little from someone who was about to chuck it in the bin because it just needed a little firmware upgrade, and that's it. And actually, I have to appreciate LG for making it quite easy to update the firmware. I'll give them that. Even when the box is completely bricked, you can update the firmware, which is quite nice. It has a USB port on there. It doesn't do anything. It would actually be nicer if you could upgrade it via USB instead of burning a disc, but that's fair enough. We'll have to try this thing out.